Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing a yard sale haul. Someone posted on my local Nextdoor app that they were having a craft yard sale, and I was the first one there the following morning. She had an amazing stash of supplies, and I really had to be so good when I was there purchasing things, so I only purchased things that I thought were really good value and things that I really wanted. So let's get into this haul. The first thing is this Tim Holtz wallflower paper pad. It's the 12 by 12. It was $5 and it is brand new. I do not have this one. The next one is this Tim Holtz Lost and Found. I believe it's new. It doesn't look like it's been used. And this also was $5. The best score were these two Tim Holtz rosette dies. These are the mini versions, so they make the mini rosettes. So happy to be adding these into my collection, and these were only $3 each. This Sizzix, it's called the Pocket with the Scalloped Edge. It's so cute. It's one of the big dies. You can punch more than just paper with it. That's the size of the pocket, a really nice size. Also $5. This die set, this is from one of those crafting magazines. It has a couple of Christmas dies here. This was only $1. I picked up this little painting book. It has where you can paint in it. They don't have anything on the backs of the pages. I've been practice watercoloring, and I thought that this would be a great book to practice in. That was only 25 cents. This was a Halloween stamp bundle. I paid $5 for all of these. She has the actual packaging still in the back. These are the Inka Dinka Doos. And we have this set. And this one. And I do have some of these Halloween stamps already. When I take down my Halloween stamps this next Halloween, any duplicates I'll pull and send out for Happy Mail. I just could not pass up this whole bundle for $5. So lots of goodies in that set. This Doodlebug Halloween 6x6 paper pad. It's so cute. And this was $2. I was able to find the Cricut Critter 2 cartridge. I have the original expression machine, so mine still takes the cartridges. And I did not have this one, so I'm super happy to be adding this one to my collection. And this one, she charged me $10 for this cartridge, which was a great deal. This is the Cuttlebug die and embossing folder, and this is the bats. This I was able to get for $2, and I have the tombstone and the skull, so I'm really excited to be adding this one to that set. These are so fun. And we have this stamp set. This is also from one of those card magazines. It's a Christmas one. It's adorable. It was only 50 cents. We have this one. This is a fairy set. This also was from a magazine and was 50 cents. She had some flocking. I've been using that lately. I picked up these two. This is the cherry and the party pink, and I don't have these ones, and these were $1 each. She also had the packages of flock with these really nice colors in them, and also these packages were $1 each. And I don't know if you can find flocking anymore. I picked these up for my flowers. These were 25 cents. A couple of these small stamps. These were also 25 cents each. We have this cute chick, this cute deer, these trees, these adorable little chicks, this mummy, this bumblebee, this Valentine's Day, and this Halloween one. Great deal on those. I found this cotton candy die. So cute. It was only $1. Excited to add that into my collection. Picked up some baby stickers for 25 cents. Two of these Halloween brads, they were 25 cents as well. I picked up some dies. She had a huge box of AliExpress dies. I offered her $1 for each one, and she said yes. So I went through and picked. It was so hard to pick only certain ones when I wanted to pick them all. But these are the ones that I picked out. This is the pumpkin, and I think this makes the lollipop holder maybe, because I know that this is the bottom part. So we have this one, the gingerbread house shaker. This one from Rosie's Studio. This is the Easter. I believe it's a layering one. It says Easter. This one that says Happy Easter. This Christmas tree shaker memory decks, and it also has the Merry Christmas. That's amazing. Look at how big this is. So excited to find that one. This memory decks one. I think it might be a layering one. I'd have to pull them apart to see. I think the shoes and the boots is kind of funny to be in there. Another memory decks card set. This one is the Halloween potion bottle. I didn't take it out of the bag because all the little pieces. So excited to be adding this. This is huge. So fun into my collection. This is the memory decks with the envelope part. This part would fold up and make the little envelope on the memory decks. Excited to give this one a try. We have the fairy. We have the shaker cherub heart. The sweet deer. Picked up these embossing powders. This is the mystical fire, which is just like the clear with the sparkle, and then an actual clear, and then the Stampin' Up clear, and these were $1 each. She had tons of colors, but I have a lot of colors, but I was running low on my clear. I picked up this Valentine's Day Martha Stewart pad. It's double-sided. It has some glitter papers. That's awesome, and this was only $2. When I was checking out, she let me pick through a box of freebies. I picked out these pre-made rosettes, this little baggie that has buttons, some ribbon, some glitter, some charms, and this one that looks like a charm or beading kit. Super cute. So happy with all of my goodies. What a great deal. I'm going to connect my other yard sale and my Salvation Army haul onto this video. Today I want to share some yard sailing craft goodies that I scored this past weekend. Let's dive right in. The first thing that I found are these playing cards. They were 25 cents. My daughter went traveling over the weekend and she brought back this super cool Hershey souvenir pack, and it just has some papers and other fun things about the factory in there. I thought that was so cute for junk journaling. She paid 25 cents for this. And then she found this old embroidery book, and she picked this up for 10 cents. This also will be great for my junk journaling. I picked up a couple of books. These were 25 cents each. This first one is Little Britches. And let's see. 1950. It's nice and yellow. The pages are really fragile. Happy to be adding this into my vintage book stash. I also picked up this amazing, it's a princess diary. It was never written in. It has this amazing hardcover with already this amazing spine. It has the Disney page marker, 25 cents. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. And then there was this amazing one. This is A History of American Theater, 1900 to 1950. It is inscribed and it's dated 1950. And I love how big these pages are. These are great to fold. It's a lot of amazing pages in here. Not sure if I will bust this one apart and put it in with my junk journaling kits. Happy to score that for 25 cents. This next pack, all of these supplies were $1. We have a bag of tags and ephemera pieces. These heart stickers, some more heart stickers. These Target clear stickers, and these large doilies, and this Color Box mixed media paper pad. And these are good, solids, nice, thick cardstock. It has the die cuts and the letters and some stickers in there. Lots of goodies for $1. Picked up this set of postcards and envelopes, and this was free. This old style guest book. And I do plan on pulling this apart and adding pages of this into my junk journals. And I'll probably try and do something with this cover. And that was 25 cents. And then I picked up this mixed media binder. It has the giant rings. And on the inside it has the mixed media pages, the envelope on the side, and then some clear pockets. And this was 25 cents. I then went into a Salvation Army and I found this stamp set. She's so cute. It's from the Sealed with a Kiss stamps. It was $1.99, the red rubber. So cute. This one from Stamp Pendus. She was also $1.99. This from Art Impressions for $1.99. This Stampin' Up set. Was so excited to find this. All the stamps are there. This is what the stamps are. And that was $1.99. And the Berry Blessings from Stampin' Up. This has not been used. This also was $1.99. And then I picked up this Peace on Earth. This is from one of those paper crafting magazines. It has the dove, the wing, and the flower. And then it also has the stamps. And this was also $1.99. And that is my crafty yard sale and Salvation Army haul. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye guys.